think of self-defense as not a fight. You don't want to fight. Why? You just want to get out of there, be safe, unharmed. And remember, there are no rules out there. It's seldom a fair fight on the street anyway. So do anything necessary. Scratch, claw, gouge the eyes, hit the groin, pull a hair, bite, whatever you have to do, use what's around you. Just survive the situation. Awareness is so important. Get your head out of your cell phone, look around, be aware of your surroundings. You can probably get out of most situations before they even start. Self-control is actually a very difficult thing. A lot of problems happen because of pride, ego, you don't feel respected, intoxication, right? Just let it go, walk away, live to fight another day. In these videos, we're trying to show you different techniques for different situations. But keep in mind, not everything is going to work for everybody. Some things will work better for you, some things won't. Everybody's got different limitations, different heights, weights, strengths, weaknesses. So you have to experiment, find out what works for you. So I encourage you to experiment. Get a partner, try some of these techniques with each other, practice. See what works for you, what doesn't. I've been asked before, what do you think is the best martial art or the best style, or what's better, this or this? Well, there's no definite answer. And I think always the individual is more important than the style. You just have to use it to your advantages because everybody's different. We've got different sizes, weights, abilities, limitations, everything. What I refuse to do is come on the internet here and say, this doesn't work, or they suck, or we're right and they're wrong. No. I think every style has something of value to learn. You just have to learn how to use it for yourself. And it's just too easy to bring other people down to raise yourself up. I don't want to do that. If you can learn anything from martial arts, I hope it's respect and a sense of honor. And that's one thing I really love about martial arts. It's self-discovery. It's developing and cultivating your strengths and compensating and improving your weaknesses. It's never-ending learning. I just want to say a quick thank you to all the trainers, coaches, teachers, and training partners I've had over the years in Canada, Hong Kong, Thailand, and now Japan, in many disciplines. You've all been so selfless and taught me so many valuable techniques. I just try to mix it up, add my own, and give it back to you. So for all your selfless teaching and all the valuable things you've taught me in martial arts and life, I thank you. So be ready, be safe, and be fit, everybody.